How does mitigation of damages affect personal injury cases? Imagine you've been hurt in an accident and are now trying to get compensation. You might wonder how your actions after the injury could influence your case. Well, what you do or don't do can make a big difference in how much money you might receive. Mitigation of damages means you have a responsibility to take reasonable steps to lessen your losses after an injury. For example, if you get hurt, you should seek medical care promptly. Ignoring medical advice or delaying treatment can lead to worse injuries and higher medical bills. It's also important to follow your doctor's instructions, like taking prescribed medications or attending therapy sessions. If you're unable to work because of your injury, trying to return to work or finding alternative employment shows you're doing your part to reduce your financial losses. Keeping records of your medical visits, treatments, and efforts to find work can help prove you're fulfilling your duty to mitigate damages. The duty to act reasonably kicks in once you realize you're injured. It doesn't mean you have to make perfect decisions, but your actions should align with what a sensible person would do in similar circumstances. For instance, ignoring medical advice or waiting too long to seek help can be seen as failing to mitigate. If you don't take these reasonable steps, the other side can use that against you. They might argue that your failure to mitigate caused additional harm or expenses, which could lower your compensation. This is called an affirmative defense. The defendant must show that your lack of action led to more injuries or costs. Common mistakes include not seeking medical care quickly, ignoring treatment plans, or not documenting your efforts to recover or find work. Missing these steps can weaken your claim and give the other side an advantage. To avoid these issues, it's best to see a doctor as soon as possible after an injury. Follow all medical advice carefully. Keep detailed records of your treatments, expenses, and job search efforts. And talking to a personal injury lawyer early on can help you understand how to properly mitigate damages. Following these steps helps protect your rights and keeps your claim as strong as possible.